Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add a ringtone to a contact on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. In order to set a custom ringtone for a specific contact, first you need to open the phone app, and then make sure to choose contacts in the bottom right corner, and then select the contact. Now over here we need to press these three dots in the top right corner, and then we have set ringtone. Over here we can choose classic themes, where we have some basic themes that are added by default on the device. We also have aquamorphic themes, and you can also pick up the audio file from your device if you have one. So I'm gonna choose classic themes, and let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And as you can hear, once you press the theme, we can hear the preview, and once you are done, all you need to do is simply go back, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!